In the meantime, Smucker's reporting earnings just a few minutes ago. Adjusted numbers came in at $2.43 a share. That was well above what the street was expecting of $2.05 a share. Joining us right now to talk more about it is Mark Smucker, J.M. Smucker Company's CEO. And Mark, Smucker has been in a bit of a sweet spot ever since the pandemic hit. Everything that you sell are things that consumers stocked up on and went more to as the pandemic hit. And it looks like you're continuing to see those trends just based on the numbers you reported today.
Becky, thank you for having me. Yes, indeed. We have seen tremendous results over these last several quarters. Obviously, you know, our sweet spot is breakfast, lunch, and pet snacks. And all three of those things have benefited from increased consumption over these last couple of years with, you know, coffee, Uncrustables, peanut butter and jelly. And again, as we have stayed home a little bit more, obviously treating our pets with our Milk-Bone brand just this quarter up 17%.
I was impressed looking through the strength in some of these numbers. Coffee, as you mentioned, was a big spot. I think Dunkin' Donuts was up by 10%, and your Bustelo brand was up by 15%. But when you look at the K-Cups, that's the huge growth. I think it was up 2.5 times for the K-Cup sales. Is that right?
Yes, K-Cups have been incredibly strong, and so we actually were able to grow share in all of our brands, Dunkin', Bustelo, and Folgers in K-Cups. And also, you know, as folks have stayed home, they're buying more brewers. And we expect about another 2 million Keurig brewers coming online, hopefully here in the next 12 months or so. That will help.
That's what I wanted to ask. Is this a reopening safe bet to say that people are going to continue to still be doing all the K-Cups at home, you know, spending as much time with their pets, still having the Lunchables, the lunches at home with the, I guess, the Crustables frozen sandwiches that you have and things? Do you worry at some point as people get back out there that they stop buying these things as much?
Well, first of all, Uncrustable sandwiches is a great story because that brand has grown 30 consecutive quarters. It was up 33% this quarter. Last week, we just announced we're building a third plant in Alabama. And ultimately, that will, we believe, will become a billion-dollar brand over the next 5 years. And so that's a perfect example of on-the-go, low-prep, sort of meal solutions or snacks that folks have enjoyed during the pandemic. But your point is great about folks are staying at home. We do believe, and what we're seeing is folks are going to continue to work from home more than they did in the past. Even as offices open up more, we all are going to probably be spending more time working from home than we did pre-pandemic. So that certainly bodes well for all of our categories.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.